Since years, Google has become our go-to source for every kind of an answer. But there are 9 search secrets that will save you hundreds of hours of work. These tips that I'm going to share with you in this video will make you a Google search ninja, helping you find what you need faster and more efficiently. Your time-saving journey on Google starts here. Please stay till the end of the video because every tip in itself is very valuable. The first one is word site, SITE. It helps you search in a website for those exact keywords. For example, if you have to search for the keyword Google as to how many times, when, and where it is coming in the website newyorktimes.com, what will you type on the Google search bar is Google, because that's the keyword, site because that's the function, and then the website name, which is http www.newyorktimesnytimes.com. Number 2, the use of the words two dots together. By separating numbers with two dots, you find out a range between anything and everything that would fall between the two numbers. For example, if you want to find on Google the history books that cost between $30 to $50, what will you type in the Google search bar is history books under double quotes 30 dot dot 50. So it will give you all the history books that cost between $30 and $50. The third is very much known, but I'm still letting you know, is the use of double quotes. This is equivalent to searching for the exact phrase on Google. Google will result pages with only the same words in the same order as the quote. For example, if you search on the Google search bar American football together under quotes, it will not give you any search results that just contain American and football. It will only give you those results where both the words have been used together. Number 4, the use of hyphen. Hyphen will exclude the word that is following it. For example, if you want to search on Google all the non-Apple laptops in this world, you type in the Google search bar is, you could search laptop hyphen Apple. So it will give you all the laptops around the world which are not Apple. The next is the use of file type. File type will give you only those search results that contain only that file type, be it PNG or PDF. For example, on the Google search bar, you will write Twitter annual report, file type, PDF. This will only return the PDF documents of Twitter's annual report. The next is the use of the word or. Whenever we use the word or, that means we are going to simultaneously do research upon two things. For example, how many profiles are there on Facebook or how many profiles are there on Twitter. That means it will do a combined research of both the things at the same time and give you the results. The next is the use of the word and. Whenever we use and, the Google search algorithm includes both of those keywords that are used with the word and. For example, if we type Amazon and Flipkart, that means it will start researching on all the pages that contain Amazon and Flipkart both. Not just Amazon and not just Flipkart. The next is the use of the word after. After will give you results after that certain period of time. So if you want something which is taken place after 2020, so you say after 2022. So it will give you all the search results after 2022. And the last one is before. Just like after is after that certain period of time, before is before that certain period of time. So if you say, give me all the documents that have happened before 2022, you say before 2023. And then it will give you the search results that happened before that date. Well, I hope you like these 9 Googling techniques that will make you a super internet researcher and a super Google ninja. These will help you improve your efficiency, your productivity level, and your precision. From site-specific searches to data filtering, these tricks can save time and enhance results. If you like the contents of this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.